In today's health-conscious world, traditional ice cream poses a challenge. High in sugar and fat, it's a treat many are reluctant to indulge in. Add to that the need for expensive ice cream machines, and it's clear why this beloved dessert isn't accessible to everyone. But what if there was a way to enjoy ice cream without the guilt or the gadgets? Enter our solution: 4 no-churn, healthier ice cream recipes that are as delicious as they are nutritious. We've reimagined this classic treat using natural ingredients, focusing on Greek yogurt, coconut cream, almond milk, and natural sweeteners. The best part? No machine needed, just mix, freeze, and enjoy. Let's dive into our recipes. First up is our vanilla ice cream, a creamy blend of Greek yogurt, almond milk, honey, and vanilla. For those craving a fruity twist, our Strawberry Shortcake combines pureed strawberries with a yogurt mix and healthy cookie crumbles. Cookies and cream lovers aren't left out. We've created a coconut cream base studded with cocoa almond flour cookies. And for the ultimate indulgence, our Chocolate Peanut Butter Swirl marries Greek yogurt with cocoa, maple syrup, and a luscious peanut butter swirl. The implementation process couldn't be simpler. We start with basic, wholesome ingredients, mix them together, and pop the mixture in the freezer. The key to achieving that perfect creamy texture? Stirring every few hours. After 6 to 8 hours, your homemade ice cream is ready to scoop and savor, but the benefits don't stop at convenience. These recipes boast impressive nutritional profiles, with each serving containing only 120 to 160 calories. They're high in protein and low in sugar, making them a guilt-free treat for health-conscious individuals. Plus, they're incredibly versatile, easy to customize, and perfect for those Instagram-worthy food shots. Kids love them, and they're suitable for various diets, including dairy-free options. Through this process, we've learned valuable lessons about creating healthier desserts. Smart ingredient swaps can maintain flavor while boosting nutritional value. The no-churn approach democratizes ice cream making, allowing anyone to create this frozen treat at home. We've also discovered that regular stirring during freezing is crucial for achieving that smooth, creamy texture we all crave. And let us not forget the power of presentation swirls. And toppings not only enhance the visual appeal, but also add exciting flavor variations. So what's next? We invite you to visit the Healthy Living Basics website for the full recipes. Try them out, share your creations, and join us in embracing a world of healthier desserts. Who says you can't have your ice cream and eat it too? By reimagining this classic treat, we've proven that with a little creativity and the right ingredients, indulgence doesn't have to come at the cost of health. These no-churn ice cream recipes offer a delicious compromise, wholesome ingredients, simple preparation, and all the satisfaction of traditional ice cream without the guilt. As we wrap up this sweet journey, remember that small changes can lead to big results. Whether you're looking to cut down on sugar, increase your protein intake, or simply try something new in the kitchen, these recipes are a great place to start. They read more than just desserts. They read a testament to the power of mindful eating and the joy of creating something delicious with your own two hands. So, are you ready to revolutionize your dessert game? Head over to Healthy Living Basics and discover how easy it is to make your own healthier ice cream. Share your experiences, experiment with flavors, and spread the word about these guilt-free treats. After all, life is too short not to enjoy a scoop of ice cream, especially when it is this good for you. Remember, healthy living doesn't mean depriving yourself of life's pleasures. It's about making smart choices that allow you to enjoy the best of both worlds. With these no-churn ice cream recipes, you're not just making dessert. You're making a lifestyle change that's as sweet as it is smart. So grab your mixing bowl, gather your ingredients, and get ready to indulge in ice cream that's good for your body and your soul. Your taste buds and your waistline will thank you. Find the full recipes in the link below, and don't forget to share this video with your lovers.